Good morning, student. Welcome back in video session classes. Today I discuss class 9 types of operating system. Types of operating system for class 9th, chapter number 4. My dear student, this operating system is already studied class 4, class 5, class. I have not discussed what is the operating system, but today I discuss types of operating system. First, operating system based on user interface. First, operating system based on user interface. Second, CUI. CUI means character user interface. Character user interface based on operating system. Based on operating system. Method GUI. GUI graphical user interface based on operating system. My fourth point, operating system based on the number of user interface. My fifth, single user operating system. Single user operating system. My sixth, multi-user operating system. Multi-user operating system. There are 6 types of the operating system. First, operating system based on user interface. Second, character user interface based on operating system. Graphical user interface based on operating system. Operating system based on the number of user interface. Single user operating system and the multi-user operating system. First, I discuss one by one. First, operating system based on user interface. Operating system based on user interface. This is my first operating system. My dear student, a user interface operating system facilitate communication between, I again repeat, operating system based on the user interface operating system facilitate communication between an application and its user by acting as an by acting as an intermediate between them. I write down a user interface facilitates communication between an application and the user by acting as an intermediary between them. Because user interface, the user mainly related to the application. This is the communication. Suppose your application is Windows 7 and this is of the user. The application and the user, they have to be communicated. Without communicated, this function is not working. The user by the acting and the intermediary between them. Each application including the operating system including the operating system provide with a specific user interface for effective communication. I give the example. Suppose I am the teacher, you are the student, and I am communicated with you. I am application and you are the user. Because I am application. Which type of application? I provided to the every such type of point. I provided in the any such type of content, and user is always time gain. So this is the user interface. So user interface, a specific user interface for the effective communication. The two basic function function of a user interface of an application is to take the input from the users and to provide the output of the users. My dear student, operating system, this is the user interface. Mainly user interface is communicate between application and the user. The first point. Anybody asked you question, what is the user interface? The user interface operating system communication between user and the application. The second point, each application include for the provide for the specific for effective communication. Without effective communication, they have to not any such type of achievement to the work. So communication is a very important role, not for the any life, but you work with the system, you work with the any such type of company. So communication is an important role. This is the user interface. The two basic function of user interface application: you take input and the user to get provide to the output to the user. This is the user interface. My dear student, यूजर इंटरफेस दो टाइप का. यूजर इंटरफेस देयर आर टू टाइप. फर्स्ट ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस. फर्स्ट graphical user interface and the second command user interface. CLI, command line interface. The two type of the user interface. First graphical user interface and the second command line user interface. My dear student, I discuss only for one point, graphical user interface. First point, graphical user interface. What is the graphical user interface? My dear student, graphical user interface is a type of GUI that enables the user to interact with the operating system. I write down graphical user interface the graphical user interface is a type of the graphical user interface is a type of GUI that enables the user to interact with the operating system by means of point and click operations. GUI contains several icons representing of the variable such as a file, directory and device. My dear student, this is a very important operating system GUI. So GUI interact with the mainly user interaction with the operating system. This means point and click. This is the mouse. You always time work with the mouse. The first of all, then you select to the point which point. Suppose I work with in this area, so this is a mouse pointer in this area, and then click operation. GUI contains several icons representing to the files, directory and the device. The one point discuss the GUI interface. The GUI interface is easy to understand and even the new users can operate on them on their own. I discuss in this particular point. Suppose you go to the market and purchase in the laptop, purchase in the any such type of desktop. The GUI is a very graphical user. Graphical means you work with any such type of Word, any such type of Excel working. Then no man can help with you. But you open to the laptop or the desktop, they automatically one by one you understand which type of work in this particular laptop. This is the function of the GUI. My one point interconnected in the graphical user interface. The graphical user interface enables the users to perform of a number. I again repeat, the graphical user interface the users to perform a number of tasks at the same time. I write down GUI enables the users to perform a number of tasks at a same time. Suppose you work with the MS Word and the same time you listen to the music. No any such type of disturbance. You work with the MS Word and you listen to the music. So then the perform the number of tasks at the same time. My dear student, this is the GUI. My again second topic discuss command line interface. The next video. Thank you so much.